How to share a Canva presentation into a USB drive. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily share your Canva presentation to any kind of USB drives. So let me just quickly open up canva.com on my web browser. Once you open up your Canva, just go ahead and click on the presentation that you want to share. So here I'm just going to click on this random presentation from my projects. And once you click on it, just export the presentation if it's ready to be shared. Click on share. Now just click on download. Then choose your file type as PPTX or PowerPoint document, and then simply click on download. Once you click on download, it will automatically be saved to your downloads. So what I'm going to do now is insert my USB drive to the computer. And once you insert your drive, it will open up like this. So on this pop-up, all you have to do now is just go ahead and click on the drive. Now, once you click on the drive, just open it up. Let me just go to this PC and then go to drive. All right, so from here, what I'm going to do now is copy this file or right click on it and click on send to. If you don't see it, click on more option and then click on send to, and then send it to your USB drive. And if you just go ahead and check on your USB drive, you should be able to find the document right here, and you can also open it. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.